Welcome back. Inspection of the mine belonging to former Congress MLA Jitendra Deshprabhu was carried out by the Mines and Geology Department on Thursday. Earlier, investigating officer DYSP Semi Tavares had filed a complaint to the Chief Secretary complaining that Mines Department is not cooperating during the inspection. Till date, DYSP Semi Tavares has sent nearly 20 letters to the Mines Department asking for inputs in Koregaon illegal mining case.
DYSP Sami Tavares, along with the officials from the Land Survey Department, Head Constable Gopal Ghadi and mines officials inspected the mine in Bhahidwada, Koregaon. Assistant Geologist Jayant Sirsat and Surveyor Jayvant Kamath from Mines Department were present for the inspection. Sample of the soil was collected by Unilab from Vasco and was sent for testing the grade of iron ore. Report from the lab will come after 4 days. Sources informed that Mines Department is not cooperating with the crime branch. Till date, DYSP Sami Tavares sent nearly 20 letters to Mines Department asking to furnish original documents for the purpose of investigation. Documents asked by the DYSP: copy of authorization granted by the state government, original application of Jitendra Deshprabhu for mining lease in 29.04 hectares, NOC issued by Deshprabhu to Shrikant Parab for obtaining quarrying lease, show cause notice to Deshprabhu by Mines Department, letter or notice issued to Deshprabhu to pay 1,75,25,600 rupees, note and memo issued to accuse Arvind Loliekar and Hector Fernandez. Some of the document copies were submitted by the Mines Department. DYSP Sami Tavares also appealed to the Goa bench of Bombay High Court to cancel the anticipatory bail order granted to accused in connection with the illegal mining case at Bhahidwada, Koregaon. Meanwhile, government issued order under Section 24(1) MMRD Act authorizing mine officials to enter and inspect any mine. Earlier, only the assistant geologist of Mines Department were allowed to inspect. Now the government has given powers to Director of Mines, Assistant Director, Senior and Assistant Geologist, Technical Assistants, Surveying Officers and other officers. They have given powers to conduct inspection, survey of the stock of iron ore and examination of the related person. A reporter from Panji, Mahesh Ghadi, with video journalist Sushant Par.
Goa police have fined more than 500 people for smoking in no-smoking zones at Sunburn. The event has violated some of the crucial assurances given to the High Court by the government. The challenge issued by the government is a glaring example of this.
कालच्यान चलनां मारपाक सुरवात केल्या बेसिकली स्मोकिंगाचेर आनी थंय पुलीस आसात, पुलीस बंदोबस्त आसा सगळ्याक आनी ड्रिंक्साचेर सगळे ज्यो गोश्टी आसा पळय ताचेर पुलिसांची वेवस्थीत नदर आसा. सुमार कितले जनांक मारले कालच्यान? 500 अरावंड 500 जाल्या चलन आनी फुडें चालू आसा, चालूच आसा, प्रोसेस चालू आसा.
Shiv Sena Goa block has decided to start a helpline for the protection of women travelling back home late evening or night. This helpline will begin on the lines of Maharashtra Helpline. Women sensing danger while travelling late night can call this helpline and the local leader or Shiv Sainik will be there to assist her.
महाराष्ट्रात एक हेल्पलाईन म्हणजे ज्या महिलांना शिवसेनेची मदत पाहिजे आहे त्या महिलांनी शिवसेनेच्या नेत्यांचा पत्ता मोबाईल देतात, त्या मोबाईलवर त्यांना संपर्क साधायचा. गोव्यात सुद्धा अशाच प्रकारचं एक आयोजन आम्ही इथं करणार आहोत की ज्या महिलांना रात्री अपरात्री असा जर काही त्यांना जीवाचा धोका असेल तर त्यांनी संबंधित भागातील आमच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांना फोन करावा, जेणेकरून तो येऊन तुमचं रक्षण करेल, तो येऊन तुम्हाला कुठं पोचवायचं तिथं पोचवेल. अशा प्रकारची नवीन पद्धत आम्ही या गोव्यात सुद्धा करणार आहोत आणि लवकरच त्या संदर्भात आमची मीटिंग आहे आणि ते मीटिंग झाल्यावर हा आम्ही निर्णय घेणार आहोत. परंतु ही भयानक परिस्थिती चालली असताना आपल्या देशाचे पंतप्रधान मात्र मौनी बाबासारखे थंड आहेत.
A tourist taxi turned into ashes at Palolem on Friday. Reason of the fire is not yet known. Locals at Palolem were angry with the fire brigade officials for not reaching on the spot in time.
The incident occurred 1 kilometer away from Palolem beach. Nobody knows how the car caught fire. One of the local water tankers helped in controlling fire, but it was too late by then. Fire brigade also took time to reach the spot. Locals were annoyed with the fire department officials.
कितल्या फोन केला फायर ब्रिगेड कितल्या फोन केला किती किती आन्सर दिले
10 मिनिटं पावता हांदल अजून टँकर पावला नाही
25 मिनिटं आगत
पावयली कोणे पालयली कोणे
Tourist taxi from Baga had come to Palole with tourist. Driver was not present on the spot.
आम्ही जेव्हा बसलेले
ऑटोमॅटिक उद लागलो
कोणे सिगरेट किती उडोबा जायती या सिगरेट बघा पत्र्या हवळ्या उज घेतलो हवळ पहिने उज घेतला आणि आम्ही कोणा उज बांदी मारतो म्हटल्यावर केलो हवळ उज गाडी स्टार्ट सेल मार म्हणजे बॅटरी डाऊन झाली
गाडी कोण आली
नाम सवय
Our reporter from Concon, Babesh Borkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.